So, I designed a dress for DevilInspired. Hello my friends and welcome back to another video. My name is Lainey. I post videos Friday, cosplay, Lolita stuff, la-di-da-di-da. Hit that subscribe button because it would make me very happy and feel validated. Anyways, so this is gonna be a little bit of a weird video that I didn't actually plan on filming, but here we are. My dad is calling me. You can wait. So anyways, there was a thread on Ruffle Chat that I saw asking people what they thought about DevilInspired, asking for people to submit to them their designs. And I just want to clarify, this is not a competition. There is no set winner or anything like this. Instead, you basically submit your design and the price, and then if they like it, they'll pay it and they will print it. And I thought that was interesting because I am someone who likes sea animals, and there are not a lot of sea animal prints. Specifically, I really like the sea creature, the octopus. The octopus, if you can't tell. And I was like, you know what? I want to make an octopus print just for fun, just to see. I know nothing about digital art. I know nothing about drawing things that aren't people in general, but we'll see if I can make a print. And I saw it, and it was an interesting comment thread. Some people were pricing theirs as low as $45, other people were pricing theirs over $1,000, and other people are like, don't do this, this is a scam, this is going to be a repeat of the bodyline competition where they use your designs without permission, and all of these other things. And then, I don't know, I just decided to go for it, and I can't really explain to you why. I just think it's because I'm not gonna get anywhere as an artist. I'll never see my artwork make it big anywhere, and if I could just get one print into existence, if I could just make one piece of art that people buy and people love, then for me personally, I think that's worth it. I think it would be the coolest thing in the universe to go to a Lolita meetup one day and I see someone wearing a dress that I made, that I designed. I don't know, I've always been pushed into this limited creativity corner. I'm a business major because I didn't want to get disowned. I just saw this as my one opportunity to take a risk and to be able to be creative again, which is so dumb. And you'll see why it's dumb. I don't even have artistic talent. Anyways, so I love sea animals, and my print is sea animals, and I wanted to do two octopi having a tea party. So first I started I just started sketching this during class, during my operation management class, because I just had an idea and I just wanted to go for it, that's the word, English. And I sketched this out and I was really happy with it. So what I did next was I took my phone, I took a picture of it from straight on, I airdropped it to my laptop, and I was like, okay, let's make this a digital art. By the way, I don't know how to make digital art, like, at all. I had no clue what I was doing in the very slightest, so I just opened up Photoshop and I was like, okay, I know how layers work, I know how shading works, maybe we can put this all together. So I had dozens upon dozens upon dozens upon dozens of layers. Every outline, every color, every shade was all a different layer, and it was just so convoluted. And I was just doing this in my marketing class, you know, because I have back-to-back classes. I was just making, you know, an octopus, and I started to really like it. I don't have a drawing tablet, I don't know how to use Photoshop, I don't even know how to make lines equal. None of my lines have equal spacing, none of them have those cute little tails on the end. They have like, they don't have like the different widths to your I'm sorry, I can't speak English. They don't have, you know, the different to your line work from like pressure from tablets, but I tried my best. It took a lot of time. It took 6, 7, possibly 8 hours. I kind of lost track. It took me quite a very long time, During it too, my hands stopped working because I have something that affects my hands, and my hands basically said, haha, I know you're feeling motivated and you want to get this done, so we're not gonna work for you. We're not gonna work. And I did it though, and I really like it, and I am very proud of it. And I think I just wanted to share that and to remember that I did something cool, and I'm proud of myself. I'm proud of myself for doing something cool. It's absolute crap. The spacing is not even. The colors are not great. The line work is terrible, objectively, of course, but I'm really proud of myself. And I sent them an email too, and I basically said, like, I can send you the Photoshop file because I know it's not perfect. But yeah, I submitted it. I can't believe I submitted it. You know what? Oh my god, I can't believe I'm doing this. Let's go, octopus tea party. Oh my god, I'm so scared. Okay. There they are, my two lovely lesbian octopi. Oh my god, guys, here we go. 3, 2, 1. Oh my god, I did it. Oh my god. Oh my god, I did it. Okay. I still haven't heard back, and it's been a few days now, but it's okay. It also took me like 3 days after I finished to submit it because my anxiety was just like through the roof. I was so scared. I submitted it, and I didn't come in with a pricing recommendation because I did not know what to price myself at. I knew I should have charged at least $10 an hour, which would be $80, but that's like so much more than $45 that someone else is doing, and I'm not good. I've never used Photoshop before. I didn't know how to price myself, so I figured, you know what, I'll tell them to give me an offer, and then I'll just negotiate from there because I know they're going to lowball me, so whatever they give me I know is below my worth. So that is if I hear back, which I probably won't. This is such a ranty video. Yeah, if you want to take my octopus print once DevilInspired turns it down and you want to turn this into a dress, let me know, because I don't know how to work Spoonflower and I don't really know what needs to be done to make a print like this. That's all. Okay, I'm done. Thank you guys so much for watching. It was really great talking to you and just sitting down, chit-chatting, talking about my fears and all of that. I'll see you next time. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!